Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
See, what happens is why we get shortage of beds, because most of these patients have to be admitted for at least 15 days, because if they are symptomatic, they are moderately symptomatic, we can't send them home. Goa Medical College, we had total of 88 deaths. They were COVID positive, of which 79 deaths had comorbid conditions. Of these 88 deaths, 4 patients were brought dead. Total deaths within 24 hours were 43. So you have to add 43 plus 4. 47 out of 88 were within 24 hours. Means he has come in such an advanced stage that saving becomes difficult. But these patients also have received everything: remdesivir, tocilizumab, high nasal oxygen, ventilation, everything. ESI had 115 total deaths. Of these 102 deaths, patients had comorbid conditions. See, last year in 2019 there was no COVID, and all these patients were admitted in Goa Medical College in medicine department. Means these are the patients who are admitted in medicine department, they have all comorbid conditions. So we had last year 1700 patients admitted in GMC in the month of June, of which deaths were 157. This year we have 1951, the deaths were 166. In these deaths there are COVID deaths, COVID admissions also. So more admissions, but deaths are not those high numbers.
प्लाझ्मा दाते मेळपा खातीर मोहीम चालूच.
Today, let me share with you that there are several employees of several pharmaceutical companies who are coming forward in order to share, in order to donate plasma, and also I think they are in touch through our director FDA and Dean Goa Medical College, who has taken the initiative, and along with our internal discussion that is there, that how best we can go aggressively, and he has prepared a campaign how best we can go aggressively to encourage people. And there should be no fear in the minds of the people who want to donate plasma. Plasma can save somebody's life. I like to share with you is even our Director Health Services also received plasma twice, and his condition is much better now.
मजगती मुख्यमंत्र्याचे वर्क फ्रॉम होम. राज्यात कोरोना केसी नेटान वाडटा आसतना सरकारान केप्यां तालुक्यांत लोकांक एकठांय हाडून जागृती मोहीम सुरू करपाचें थारायला म्हूण इश्यू.
आता परतून एकदां सरकार जागी जाला आनी ताणें परतून दवरला 7 तारखेसान सगळ्या वेगवेगळ्या पंचायतींनी, बार्शे पंचायत, VP अवेडे कोटंबी, VP शेल्डे, VP बारसे, अश्यो वेगवेगळ्यो पंचायती आनी म्युन्सिपालिटीचे वाठार आसात केप्यां वाठारांतले. थंय हें आतां परती एकदां ही अवेरनेस दवरला. आतां ही अवेरनेस कशी जाता की पंचायतीच्या वॉर्डा मेंबरान ऑर पंचायतीन इनिशिएटीव घेवन वॉर्डांतल्या सगळ्या लोकांक एकठांय हाडप, आनीक थंय हो जो ट्रेंड मनीस आसा तो तांकां गायडन्स दितलो. कोविडा पासून तुवें कसो पयस रावप तेजें गायडन्स दितलो. अशा लोकांक एकठांय हाडून ह्या टायमाचेर आमी कसलें ट्रेनिंग दिता तांकां.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.